Ancient book versus modern NASA data. NASA spent billions to map the Earth's surface. But a man in the heart of the Arabian desert, 14 centuries ago, described the same global proportions using nothing but a specific frequency of words. Welcome to the mathematical miracle of the Quran. In mathematics, there is something called the law of large numbers, the idea that patterns in random data are nearly impossible unless there is a design. Imagine a book written in the middle of a desert 1,400 years ago, a time when humans had no satellites, no global maps, and no concept of the world's total surface area. What if I told you this book contains a hidden digital ratio of our planet, a ratio that scientists only confirmed in the modern era? Today, we are not talking about stories, we are talking about raw, verifiable data. To understand this, we have to look at the frequency of specific keywords in the Quran. In linguistics, frequency often reveals the core message. In the original Arabic text, scholars decided to count how many times the word sea or bar appears and how many times the word land or bar appears. This wasn't a modern experiment. It's a simple word count that anyone with a copy of the book can perform today. Let's look at the numbers. The word sea, bar, appears exactly 32 times. The word land, bar, appears exactly 13 times. At first glance, these are just numbers. But let's apply basic 5th grade mathematics. If we add 32 and 13 together, we get a total of 45. This represents the total surface of our planet. Now, let's find the percentage. 32 divided by 45 equals 71.1%. 13 divided by 45 equals 28.8%. Does that ratio look familiar? For decades, modern oceanography and geological surveys using satellite telemetry have tried to calculate the exact composition of the Earth's surface. The result? Modern science confirms that the Earth is approximately 71.1% water and 28.8% land. The match is identical to the decimal point. Think about the statistical probability of a person in the 7th century guessing this exact ratio correctly, especially when they lived in a vast desert with no access to the oceans of the North, the Pacific, or the Antarctic. Explained in detail, Quran 41:53. We will show them our signs in the universe and within themselves until it becomes clear to them that this Quran is the truth. Is it not enough that your Lord is a witness over all things? https://quran.com/41/53. This isn't just a coincidence, it's a signature. A signature left in the structure of the text for a generation that would one day possess the technology to verify it. If the math is perfect, what does that say about the source? The Quran invites you. We will show them our signs in the horizons until it becomes clear to them that it is the truth. The data is clear. The question is, are you ready to read the rest of the code? We believe knowledge should bridge the gap between us. If you're seeing this from across the globe, tell us where you're watching from and what surprised you most about these facts. Let's keep the conversation respectful and curious. See you in the next video.